Hey guys, Nick here with Xscape Pod. I'm really pumped to show you guys what's inside this two-person car camping pod. So let's check it out. All right, inside the Yeti style cooler, you'll notice the dry bag. Great thing about the dry bag is it keeps all the gear inside super dry, obviously, so you don't even have to worry about anything from the cooler, ice getting in the way of your gear. Inside you'll see the instructions for how to set up your campsite. Super simple, really easy to use. Not that you guys need it. So let's get into it. Inside the pod, the two-person tent. Camp chairs, gotta have the camp chairs. Now, for sleeping quarters, got a bunch of stuff here. First, sleeping bags. Next, sleeping pads. Those sleeping pads are really easy to inflate. This battery-powered inflator. Flip the switch, 40 seconds. You got a really comfortable air mattress to sleep on. Cotton liners, keep you clean. Mess kit includes bowls, plates, cups, silverware, camp stove. Hatchet for splitting firewood. Hammock, taking a snooze. And last but not least is the Tiny Gear goodie bag. First aid kit, flashlight, lantern, Leatherman tool, fuel for your camp stove, batteries for your headlamps, and last but not least, those headlamps. So that's it, guys. That's all the gear that comes in the two-person car camping pod. Now get out there.